How to crop in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and import your video clip into the timeline. Once your clip is in the timeline, locate the transform section in the top right corner. Under the transform section, you will see several options for adjusting your clip. To crop your video, look for the cropping controls. You will find them directly beneath the transform option. Here you can crop the left, right, top and bottom of your clip by adjusting the sliders. Move each slider to remove parts of the video you don't need. As you adjust the crop, you will see the changes reflected instantly in your video preview. Once you are happy with how the crop looks, you can fine-tune it further by adjusting the position of your clip, zooming in or rotating it. You can also enable the zoom option if you need to resize the clip after cropping to maintain the aspect ratio. And that's it. Now you know how to crop in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.